Do you remember the Miele S424i Air Clean S424i? This blue, slightly broken machine from the recent job lot video that we did. Well, it's time to see if it works. We need to put a plug on it, see how it runs, make sure it works fine, and perhaps even have a go at fixing it. Put a plug on it, and I found it a floor tool as well. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Yes, it's time we started working through, just noticed that, it's time we started working through these vacuums that we got from Mr. James, and we'll start with what is possibly the worst one of the lot, because when this happens, there's no fixing it at all. You know, that's missing completely. Any collector of any make, model, style of vacuum cleaner will know that that is a massive pain when that happens. But you know, may not be the end of the world. We'll have a look. Yes, I found a floor tool which fits in the slot, is roughly the same generation that this would have had, and yeah, it's perfectly fine to now live with this machine. And very nice it is to obviously we had our tools and they were there. So the first thing that we really need to do, because yeah, we've got a bag, you know, we've got air freshener, it's all there, it's all ready to go. The only thing we need to do is put a plug on to this cable. So I went and bought myself a black plug. That'll be the Daewoo. Daewoo used to make cars when I was little. Who knows? Yeah, so let's put this plug onto this flex. Well, there we go. With a plug on it, we can turn it on. Yeah. She runs absolutely fine, that air freshener. Even smells very nice as well. So we can tool up now. Oh. Oh yes, too short. Trying to pull the rug up. Oh yes, very pleasant indeed, and you know, it's a shame really that we can't just end it there and I can start to show you it when it's done. No, what I had to do was scour eBay. I say scour. I looked a couple of times, and on the third odd time of looking, I found the contents of this box. Annoyingly, not really listed under anything, which is why it took a while to find, but it looked like it would do the job. My next concern is it the same colour? That is, I'm still holding my breath a little bit. But for the grand total of £12, I found this, look, entire top shelf from a Revolution. And it's not the same shade as such, but I don't think anybody would probably notice if it wasn't. I mean, I probably can't swap the tool door around because that would be noticeable. This is a darker shade than this, but you know, I reckon we'd get away with perhaps just sticking the front onto the back, and you know, it'd only be that bit. You wouldn't notice. You might even think it should be like that. I don't even know what we get for our £12. Yes, Miele Revolution. We have a sliding. Oh yes, look, power control. Ta-da! No tools, but this bit is completely and utterly absolutely fine. I mean, I don't quite want to try and get it off straight away. Oh, well, we'll leave it on for now, but yeah, I think we either, swap the door over, but I think now I see this colour difference, we'll just pop the whole top on. It can be called Revolution. I don't think that matters, or we could polish that off, who knows, and I'm probably going to have to swap all of, well, I say all of this bit, just this bit over between there and there, and she'll be good to go. So, there we go. What do you think? You reckon this is a good idea or a complete waste of time? Get back into your house. You let me know down below. I will get on with making this look very nice. I mean, they're both as filthy as each other, so there's nothing to worry about there. Yeah, get these done and let you know how they come out. Just notice that there's a hole in there. There's no hole in there, sorry. I'll stop getting distracted. Until the next time, I and this Miele S424i, soon to be Miele Revolution, will see you soon. Bye bye.